bansang Bangladesh, Shabaj Junior Shubutin. Para sa bansang Israel, Sharbanya Shubetcha. At para sa ating bansang Pilipinas, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Gaano kadelikado nga ba kapag pinaghalo ang baking soda at vinegar? Pero before we start ang bagong kaalaman, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, CNCS Live, and hit the notification bell para ma-update pa kayo sa aming mga bagong kaalaman. And watch until the end this video! What is vinegar made of?
Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid and trace chemicals that may include flavoring. Vinegar typically contains 5 to 8% acetic acid by volume. Usually, the acetic acid is produced by the fermentation of ethanol or sugars by acetic acid. Bacteria. Some vinegar comes from grape wine, from dates, as a traditional product of the Middle East.
Process of baking soda
Can be produced by the reaction of carbon dioxide with an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, or by treating a sodium carbonate solution with carbon dioxide. It can be also prepared by the solvay process, which is the reaction of sodium chloride, ammonia, and carbon dioxide in water. Baking soda is also used in baking, for dough will rise, and cleaning bacteria in vegetable and fruits. In Australia, New Zealand, and UK, baking soda is called bicarbonate soda. In US, called baking soda.
What chemical do you get when you mix baking soda and vinegar?
Ang suka ay mayroong acetic acid dito. Ang pangalang chemical para sa baking soda ay sodium bicarbonate. Kapag pinaghalo mo ang dalawa ay nakakuha ka ng sodium acetate at tubig. Nakakakuha ka rin ng carbon dioxide na kung saan ay isang gas.
What happens if you put vinegar into baking soda?
Ang suka ay acetic acid na natunaw sa tubig at ang baking soda ay isang base na tinatawag na sodium bicarbonate. Sa una, ang reaksyon ay gumagawa ng carbonic acid na hindi matatag. Mabilis itong napupunta sa CO2 at tubig. Mabilis na umalis ang gas sa tubig na lumilikha ng bula at mga bula sa daan.
Is it dangerous to mix vinegar and baking soda?
Baking soda is basic and vinegar is acidic, says Bob. When you put them together, you get mostly water and sodium acetate. But really, just mostly water plus vinegar causes baking soda to foam up. If stored in a closed container, the mixture can explode.
At narito po at panoorin natin ang magiging chemical reaction when you put together the vinegar and baking soda. Thanks for watching. Bye!